Hey developers! How you doing guys? Welcome to Dauntless. My name is Amin and today I'm here to talk about how you can add inline styles in React.js application with JS6 rules. Stay with me until the end of the video and of course do not forget to subscribe my channel. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay with me and do not lose this video. Let's go. Let's back to work. We have this project from the previous sessions and now I want to choose one HTML element to add some inline styles and add a style attribute. I can choose each single element here, for example this section or article, this image or heading 1 or of course this paragraph. I want to choose this element, this paragraph here, and I want to add some style attribute here. As you can see, we have one curly braces here, but if we use it, we go back to the JavaScript board and we are working with JavaScript. And if I add the other curly braces, we have an object here and we can use some styles for this paragraph HTML element, and you should use an object for your work to add these styles and you should treat it like an object. For example, I want to start with color here and this is the property of our object and I should add a value for this property and I should put it in quotation. For example, I want to start with hashtag 617D98 and when I save it, we have the changes here and the color of this paragraph has been changed. I want to add the other property to our object, but know that you cannot use these normal style in your inline styles that you have used in your CSS file. For example, if you want to add font size here, you cannot use font hyphen then size here. You should capitalize it like this and start with this. So 0.75 rem and I save it, a smaller font size, and the other is about margin top. I want to put some margin from top and 0.25 rem. When I save it, we have the changes affected on our paragraph here. Know that it is our attribute style and inline styles that you have add them to your paragraph, to your HTML element. But know that when we go for bigger screen and we navigate to inspect, we have this paragraph here and the styles here. For example, when I want to change some and add some styles in my index CSS, know that for example book that's P, and when I add some color to it, red, when I save it, there's no changes here, and as you can see, it is not accepted here in our inspect. You should know that because our inline style that we have add them here are more powerful and stronger than the styles we are adding them in our CSS file. But for example, add some style that we are not using in our inline style, for example, letter spacing 5 pixels. When I save it, we have the changes here because we don't use them in our direct and inline style in our HTML element. So we are at the end of our video today. Hope to be useful. I was talking about different ways that you can add CSS and styles in your React.js application. Know that it's optional and it's up to you that which way you want to use for adding a style to your React.js application. Thanks for watching guys. Of course, do not forget to subscribe my channel and know that if you put like and comment for me and ask your questions in comment from me, I will answer all of them and you inspire me to put more videos about developing for you. Thanks a lot. Farewell developers.